Order filled.
Couldn't take it any longer. I'm going to have a really tight stop here, but I'm probably going to regret getting long. Yeah, already regretting it. Um, let's see if we can get anything green. We're starting to get a little bit of motion there. Keep going. Come on. I shouldn't be at 20.
Target filled.
All right. Now we could see if we can trail it. Let's go to a free trade, guys. 17 quarter. We're right up where we're going to have resistance issues right here. Go away. Maybe it's going to wobble. I got to give it a chance. And if we could get over that, I think we can get our target up there. Yeah, I mean, I can't see anything in the near term. Oh, I need to expand that for you. Sorry. Um, okay, need to try to give it some room here, but it's going to probably pull back on me. At least that's what I'm expecting. And I'll be pleased if it actually goes the other way. Okay, Russell's pulling back as well.
Order
All right,
filled.
it's going to pull back, so I'm just going to take the money and run. We got, gosh, I want to say 23 ticks on that one. Not great, but considering that I did expect it to break out, it went exactly to where I expected it to go. Right up here to this level, I thought initially I took my first targets right about in there, but I didn't really expect to get much higher than that swing level. Right, 500. Okay. Now this is going to fall back. Man, I'm glad I took the money. Glad I took the money.